A very good morning, students. So, children, yesterday was Sunday, but day before yesterday on Saturday, we were doing lesson number 16, Our Earth, as a revision. Because already we have done this lesson, now we are doing only the revision in all the subject, and we are doing, right now we are doing EVS. Okay, so what we have seen on our Earth, the planet Earth is the place where we live. Then it looks like an orange, and it is the most beautiful place which supports life on it. Then almost 70% of the earth's surface is covered with water. Then come to globe. The globe is the man-made model of the earth, and it shows all the parts of the earth. The blue part shown in the globe is water. So children, you all can see globe in the picture. We all live on the earth with animals and plants. So this was page number 80. Now all of you take out page 81. So children, this is page number 81. Okay, then we have also seen that the earth is not same everywhere. There are different types of plants and animals on different landforms. And what were the landforms? So we have studied till mountains and desert. We have seen two types of landforms. Mountain. Now what are mountains? Raised land and high hills are called mountains. And the Himalaya is the highest mountain in India. Then desert. The places covered with sand, they are called desert, and desert usually have very little rainfall. Now today we will do some more types of landforms like plains, hills. So we'll start from plains. Plains. The flat and even part of the earth is called plain. And most of the people, they live on plains. Then come to hills. Hills. The higher part of land is called hills. Okay, a little higher or raised land than its surrounding is called a hill. Okay, fruits like apples, cherries, plums and peaches grown on hills. Can I take out page 82? Okay, now valley. What is a valley? A flat piece of land between two hills is called a valley. Can you see in the picture now? Okay, piece of land between two hills is called a valley. Now come to forest. Forest is an area which is thickly covered with trees, grass and other plants, and it is a natural home to many animals and birds. So who lives in the forest? Animals and birds. Okay, so these were the different types of landforms. Okay, now come to water. Okay, 70% of our earth is covered with water. Oceans, seas, rivers, streams are water bodies on the earth. Can you see in the picture now, children? Yes. Then we all need water for different uses. Okay, water is very, very important for our life. Okay, we use water for washing, drinking, then bathing, cleaning and for watering our plants. We should save water as it is very precious. Only 3% of the whole water on the earth is drinking water. It means we have to be very careful. We have to save water. Then we should consume it economically. Okay, we should use it very carefully so that it may not get wasted. We should not waste water. So water is very important for each one of us. So children, this was all about the lesson. Today again the lesson as a revision I've completed, and now tomorrow we will do the exercise of this lesson. Okay, till then children, goodbye, take care.